Hello viewers, welcome back to the beautiful world of Artistic Bake. This is me, Aarti Gupta here. Festive seasons are lined up back to back. That means time to enjoy the sweet delicacies without any guilt. So what's on our menu today? So on our menu goes our no cheese cheesecake. Yes, no cheese cheesecakes. So the ingredients that we require are hung curd, milk masala, condensed milk, few gulab jamuns, butter, pistachios and a digestive biscuit and fresh cream. 6-inch mold lined with a parchment paper and a bigger pan with a ring mold in it to create a water bath. So we will take some Marie biscuit in our mixie jar and we will crush it. We will crush this into a fine powder. So here we have our crushed powder. So we will take the crushed biscuit in a bowl. So now we will take some pistachios and we will crush it into powder form. So here I have my semi-crushed pistachio powder. You can see it is not crushed completely. It has some semi-crushed nuts in it. So now we will add around 2 tablespoons of semi-crushed nuts in the biscuit. Next step is to melt the butter. To this we will add our melted butter. So now we will combine this all together. Combine it very well. Once you have combined your biscuit and your butter mixture, just check it with your hands. Pick it up and press it like this. It should form a ball. So now we will add the biscuit mixture in our cake pan. So here you can see my cake pan is lined with a parchment paper. So I will add this. After adding the biscuit mixture to your cake pan, we will spread it all over and we will press it with our fingers to create a base. We can also press this with any kind of a vessel which has a flat base like this. So here you can see our base is ready. So now this base will go inside the fridge and we will prepare our batter. So to make the batter, here we will take our hung curd in the mixing bowl. To this we will add our condensed milk. So let's mix this. So we have to mix this until well combined. So once your mixture is well combined, we will add fresh cream and now we will give it a mix. So here you can see our batter is ready. So let's move to the other ingredient. So now we will add the milk masala. Mix it well. So our batter is well mixed and ready. So let's take out our biscuit base. Our biscuit base is out of the fridge. So let's add the filling inside. So here I have my batter filled inside the piping bag. Let's fill the ring mold. I have filled my pan half with the batter and now I will level it. So here you can see I have leveled my batter, but I have leveled my batter in a way that I have created a border on the sides, if you can see it clearly. Okay. Time to place our hero ingredient, that is the gulab jamun. So we will place it on the borders. So when I am placing my gulab jamuns, you can see I have not touched it on the border of the pan. I have just applied the cream on the border of the pan and I am placing it inside the border. So we have placed our gulab jamun in the batter. Now we will cover it with rest of the batter. Before covering it with rest of the batter, I will preheat my oven at 140 with both the rods on. Let's cover this. Once you have filled your batter in the pan, level it out. So here you can see I have leveled it nicely. So now time to bake it. So before baking it, we have to prepare a water bath. To prepare the bath, we will take a larger vessel and we will add hot water into this. After adding hot water into the vessel, we will place a ring in the center and we will place this mold on top of this. So now we will place this inside the oven for at least 1 hour. Let's place this for baking. So here after about an hour, our cheesecake is ready. So the first sign that it is baked completely is the browning effect. Second is the jiggle on the top, you can see. Once your cheesecake is out of the oven and you know that it is perfectly baked, let it come down to room temperature completely, and once it has come down to room temperature completely, place it inside the fridge for at least overnight and let it set before slicing it. So here our no cheese cheesecake is out of the fridge. I kept it inside the fridge for overnight and now it is nice and set. You can have a closer look to this. Let's demold this. We will insert a knife and run on the edges to release the edges. So we will take 2 cake boards. I will place one on top of this. And I will turn it upside down. So now we will release the pan. So now we will take other cake board and place it on top of this and flip it over. So here you can see our no cheese cheesecake has come out so easily. It is nice and set. So now comes the fun part, that is the decoration part. So we will decorate it. With some silver work on top of it. Some pistachios. Some rose buds as a decoration part, that's it. So here I have decorated my no cheese cheesecake. So let's have a slice. So here you can see the perfect slice with the gulab jamun in the center. here comes the fun part, that is the tasting part. So let's taste it. Perfect. Truly divine flavor. Do make this festive season and let me know in the comment section how did it turn out for you. Don't forget to like, share and comment on our video and subscribe to our channel. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.